Type-C adapter fast charging PD25W45W Superfast Type-C chargers for Samsung S21 Plus, S20 to TA 800 TA 845 USB-C power adapter. Its usage for Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, 21, S21 Plus, S21 Ultra, S20, S20 Plus, S20 Ultra, S20 FE, Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, S10e, S9, S9 Plus, S8, S8 Plus, S8 Active, Galaxy Note 20, Note 20 Ultra, Note 10, Note 10 Plus, Note 9, Note 8, Galaxy A02s, A3, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11, A12, Galaxy A31, A32, A40, A41, A42, A50, A51, A52, A60, A70, A72, A80, A90, Galaxy Tab A8, 2018, Tab A10, 2019, Tab 10, Tab A8. We have been supporting our agents with great conditions to develop business in local market. Welcome you join in us. Looking forward to your contact and advice.